Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are gonna go over a few of my favorite beauty waters, teas, just easy things you can add to water to boost them for your health. So today we're starting with the skin elixir, which has aloe vera in it. Aloe vera is amazing. It does have a texture that I personally am not a huge fan of. I don't like anything too jelly or gummy, so I do like to blend it with a little bit of water. But it's amazing for deep hydration, collagen production. It's also great for your metabolism as well as acne. I also add a little bit of ginger in a strainer. I just grate fresh ginger and then put a little hot water over it because once again I don't want ginger just floating around in my tea. I will also take the aloe vera that I just blended and put it through the strainer as well, just so it's like double strained, and you'll notice like it's quite thick. So when you do it this way, you will not feel any of the aloe vera. Like you will drink it like a regular tea. It's not gonna have any weird chunky feelings. So if you don't mind it, it's no big deal. But that's how I like to do it, just to get it down easier. But it doesn't taste like anything personally. I like to have it with green tea. I really love green tea. I think it really helps my skin. When I'm consistently drinking my green tea, my skin is glowing. It feels good. I'm also waking up a little less puffy. I also like to add a little bit of honey just for taste, and I love this tea, especially in the morning. It kind of just flushes out all the toxins and gets your body ready for a good day. Next, I drink this one throughout the day. This one is probably the easiest, and I find it really delicious and simple to make. So this is like your typical spa water with lemon and cucumber. Lemon is amazing. It improves your skin elasticity, tons of vitamin C, and it's anti-inflammatory. Pretty similar, so is cucumber. These are both really good for anti-aging and just giving your skin that extra boost. I really like to have it with ice. Usually I don't even like ice in my drinks, but there's just something about I like the way it looks, and it just keeps it nice and cold, especially if you keep your lemons out, maybe like on the counter, because sometimes I feel like they can just be like a touch too warm. But cucumber is also amazing for maintaining the elastin in your skin. I like to add a little bit of rose water. I love the taste of florals, so even a little bit of rosebud, like edible food grade rosebuds, just adds a little something. They're cute, they're fun, but rose is also an amazing way to boost your mood. So whenever, like if I get an annoying email or something, like I'm adding rose to my drink because it just makes me happy. Like personally, rose is amazing and it just gets me in such a good mood. I don't know what it is. But this is one of my favorites. It's so simple and easy. Next, beauty sleep tea. This is probably my favorite out of them all just because it does get you to go to sleep a little bit faster. I love a warm drink before bed. Rooibos tea is the best of both worlds, so it's going to get you into a relaxed state. It's caffeine free, of course, but it also has really powerful antioxidants that are going to be amazing for your skin as well as your hair growth. Some people even use this like topically as a hair rinse to promote hair growth, but I just like to drink it because it tastes great and it does get you in that relaxed state. It's absolutely lovely, and some of your favorite teas might already be Rooibos tea, so check your cabinet and just see. Okay, now this is the secret sauce. If you're on a non-alcohol kick or anything like that and you want to like have a proper wind down, recess powder is it. This one is the unflavored. They have some with flavors if you just want to have a recess powder by itself, but it has magnesium, it has hemp and adaptogens, and it is amazing for managing stress. Like you actually get that woo-saw feeling. Then I add in, of course, rose water. I'm obsessed with it. I like the way it tastes, and it's another natural stress reliever. It's going to be good for your digestion. It has plenty of antioxidants for anti-aging. So adding a little bit of that like really, really gets you in such a good, calm mood before bed. It's amazing. And I also really like adding honey to most of my teas just for flavor, but also if it's available, I like local honeys to help with allergies. I'll notice during allergy season, I'll just be puffier than usual. So it's nice to have something at night that, besides like Benadryl or Zyrtec, that can help relieve your allergies so the next day you don't wake up super puffy. And that's my favorite drink at night. Sometimes I do add a liquid collagen, but I didn't get here in time, so I still want to get this video up. Hope you guys enjoyed, and let me know your favorite beauty tea recipes or beauty drink recipes, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!